P. Diddy sucks! P. Diddy sucks! P. Diddy really sucks. He's a jerk. He's a jerk. I know, I'm not being nice. Well, I don't have to be nice. He's a jerk. P. Diddy sucks. P. Diddy should rot in hell. Burn in fire. All that shit. Yeah. P. Diddy sucks. P. Diddy really sucks. P. Diddy sucks. They can poke his eyeballs out for all I care. P. Diddy sucks. Yeah, he should be impaled for all I care. P. Diddy sucks. P. Diddy really sucks. P. Diddy sucks. He can burn in hell. P. Diddy can burn in hell for all I care. P. Diddy really sucks. He should burn in hell. He can have the death penalty for all I care, yes. But he's a jerk. P. Diddy sucks. P. Diddy sucks. Fuck you, P. Diddy. Fuck you, P. Diddy. P. Diddy sucks. He should burn in hell. He's a jerk. He's a woman beater too. And he should burn in hell. He's a jerk. P. Diddy sucks. He's a woman beater too. And he should burn in hell. Not just jail. And he should have his eyeballs poked out as well. And that should be his execution. Yeah. P. Diddy really sucks. And he is also a terrible laugher. He sucks. He sucks like ass. P. Diddy sucks. P. Diddy sucks. P. Diddy sucks. P. Diddy sucks. That's right. P. Diddy sucks. P. Diddy sucks.